Welcome back to my channel, JZ Health and Beauty Secrets. I'm so happy to have you here again. Today, we're diving into a natural beauty tip, using something simple but powerful that you probably already have at home. Tomatoes are packed with skin-loving benefits. Rich in vitamin C, they help brighten your complexion. The natural acids gently exfoliate dead skin cells. They help tighten pores and control excess oil. Their antioxidants can even help reduce the appearance of acne and dark spots. Wash and pat dry 1 medium tomato. Slice it in half. Extract the juice. Gently press the cut side of the tomato into your bowl, letting the juice collect. Now pour the tomato juice into a clean pan. To that, add 1 glass of water. That's around 250 milliliters. The water helps dilute the acidity of the tomato juice, making it gentler on the skin while still keeping all the brightening power. Next, we're adding 4 tablespoons of rice powder. Rice powder is a time-tested beauty ingredient known for its oil-controlling, soothing, and skin-lightening properties. It also acts as a gentle exfoliant when applied. Now mix everything really well. Make sure there are no lumps. You want a smooth, runny paste at this stage. Once it's well combined, place the pan on the stove and turn the heat to low. Stir the mixture continuously to prevent it from sticking to the bottom or forming clumps. As it cooks, you'll notice the texture slowly thickening. This should take about 4 to 6 minutes. Once it reaches a soft, creamy consistency, like a thick face mask, you can turn off the heat. Now that our paste has cooled to a comfortably warm temperature, it's time to make it ultra smooth. Carefully pour the mixture into your blender jug. Use a silicone spatula to scrape every last bit from the pan, so none of that goodness goes to waste. Secure the lid tightly, and if your blender has a removable center cap, take it out to allow steam to escape safely. Start the blender on the lowest speed setting and blend for about 10 seconds to break up any larger particles. Now, let's supercharge our glow formula. Add 2 tablespoons of almond oil. Almond oil is packed with vitamin E and fatty acids to deeply nourish and lock in moisture. Drizzle it in while stirring, so it blends seamlessly. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch helps absorb excess oil and gives the mask a silky, velvety finish. Stir briskly to dissolve any tiny clumps. No graininess here. Squeeze in a generous dollop of aloe vera gel, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Aloe vera soothes irritation, calms redness, and adds an extra cooling effect. Mix until you have a uniform, glossy paste. Use a clean spatula to transfer your finished glow paste into a sterilized glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. Label it with today's date, pop it in the fridge, and your mask will stay fresh and potent for up to 2 weeks. Apply the paste gently to your desired area and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, giving it time to fully absorb into your skin. After that, just rinse it off with normal water. Trust me, the magical results will truly surprise you. Thanks a bunch for watching, beauties. If you loved this tip, hit that like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more glow-up secrets. See you next time.